Hello everybody.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making a
homemade pizza.
It's going to be loaded with vegetables, vegan cheese, and it's going to be stuffed crust. So stay tuned.
Check it out. Alright, so this is our pizza dough. We got this freshly packaged already original pizza dough from Whole Foods. It's on the frozen aisle closest to the deli, so if you want to go get your own. Okay, so when you get your pizza dough, as you see, you keep rolling it and tossing it in the flour, because the flour keeps it from sticking to the board, and it helps you be able to expand it equally without the dough doing anything. So what you want to do is you want to press down with your fingers flat on the edges like that, and you want to spin it. Keep doing the same thing around it, equal. Alright, so that is to make your crust. So once you make your crust, you want to hit it, and you want to spread your hands like wings. Spread your hands like wings. Pick the dough up. As you see, it's thick. That's good. You don't want it too thin. When you start being able to see your finger through the dough, start being able to see your fingers through the dough, you want it to put your hands under it with your knuckles up like that. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. Alright. And you want it to make it over the size so you can shrink it, because it's better to shrink it on the pan than it being too small on the pan. Okay, so now we're gonna do our cheese crust. And we're doing something easy. We're taking sliced cheese and we're breaking it into like little long rectangles, and the oval part of cheese, because our sliced cheese is an oval. It's a vegan.
The vegan sliced cheese, cheddar style.
Alright, so.
And what we did is we have a 12-inch round pizza pan, and he needed the dough to be larger than the pizza pan so we can fold the crust over, which he'll show you.
Alright, so you take your piece of cheese and you take your crust and you pull it out just a little bit. And what you want to do is you want to slide your cheese up. You want to paste it under the dough. You want to place it down, alright? Then you want to spin it. And continue to do this over and over again. Now, all of your cheese isn't gonna touch, but the point is you want to get all your slices that you have pulled out and broke under the crust. So as you see, I'm building a thick crust. Taking a piece of cheese, do this over and over again, and you spin it. Now you want to do your sauce. You want to put your sauce in the middle. And what I mean in the middle is you put a lot in the middle. And that way you can just spread it from the middle. Now see, we've built the crust up so it's so deep that the middle of the pizza is kind of like, it's got a dip in it, so all the sauce stays off of the crust. So it kind of keeps it like in a little depth, as you can say. And you see, the sauce will stop at the end of the crust. I'm starting now. I want to even that out. So when you start seeing such light areas, that means the spoon is kind of heavy. Now this is kind of chunky sauce that we had. Got it's tomato basil. So that's why it's so hard to even it out. But you learn as you go. Alright, so now it's time for cheese in the topping section.
We have a little bit of mozzarella, shreds, pepper jack, cheddar. And it's all dairy-free brands. And we also got a little bit of Parmesan to throw in there.
Yeah, it was a little low on the mozzarella, so we got some Parmesan. So, take it. Spread it out even. That's a big chunk. We won't worry about that.
It's making me hungry looking at it.
Me too.
If you haven't used these brands of cheese, if you have your favorite brand of cheese that we don't know about, leave a comment below to let us know what you like to use for your non-dairy cheeses.
Alright. So that's a good layer of cheese. And we'll go to cheddar style now. Pepper jack. So we could call this a 3 cheese stuffed crust pizza, because that's what we're using, 3 cheese.
Toppings, we got some freshly chopped spinach. We're gonna put that on there first. So spinach, it shrinks when it cooks. We're gonna put a lot of it on there. Load it up with spinach. And we got some red onions. You just wanna dice them. We slice them into, strips. And I put a little bit of seasoning, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper on them, just to give them a little flavor on top of the pizza. And we also have red peppers. These are like a sweet red pepper. Same thing there. Cover it with a little bit of salt, pepper. And then we have some Italian vegan sausages that we cut up to look like little pepperonis that we're putting right on top of all that. These are delicious. They're a plant-based sausage. I think it's by Field Roast. top. We're just gonna do another layer of cheese on top just to glue it all together. This is a cheddar style cheese. And then pepper jack. You do however much you want. Kind of yours. I like cheese. And then Parmesan. Fill it in for the mozzarella. And then after your cheese, you want to butter your crust with, we made a garlic butter. It has garlic, butter, and a little bit of fresh Italian herbs. And this is going to help the crust from burning in the oven. And you're just going to brush that on. It's also very tasty. Very tasty. And like I said, I just melted some butter with, and this is a vegan butter, by the way, with herbs and onions and garlic.
Alright, so as you see, this is what it looks like before it goes in the oven. So you see, it's kind of, we went heavy on it because it's going to shrink, as we said. It's going to go down, sink down. This is the garlic butter that's all on the crust. And you want to leave it in about 10 or 15 minutes. That's what we did.
What about 350?
And preheat your oven for 350. Forgot to say that, sorry. 10 to 15 minutes, and you check on it. And when you start smelling that buttery, it's cooking smell, like you know that the toppings and stuff is cooking, because a lot of this stuff is not heavy. It's gonna cook really fast. That's when it's time to come out. All right. So this is the pizza straight out of the oven. Now look at that. See that crust? That crust is a golden brown because of the garlic butter we added on it. And the cheese is all melted on top. And you see how everything kind of settled down from the before. And this is the after. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video.
We hope you enjoyed the video.
Yes, we do.
Please subscribe if you haven't.
Please.
Like this video. Check out our website, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat.
And leave us some comments, give us some ideas that you want to see, some things that you would want us to cook.
Some feedback on what we can do differently. Alright, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.